Hey everyone, this is Ashish from Developer Hut and welcome to Go for Beginners series. So as of now, whatever the topics that we have covered in Go for Beginners series, all their source code is available on the Developer Hut GitHub repository. You can get all the details of those source code here in this repository. So I will also add the URL for this repository in the description section below, and you can use this repository for the reference. For all incoming session, I will also upload the code in the same repository. And in near future, I will also add the exercise assignments where you can use those exercise assignment to master the Go language. So thanks for watching and I will see you on the next one.